I want to help you learn more information about our company and about our work. For that, you have to download Telegram Messenger. Telegram. It's called Telegram and look like you can see this program. You can just press on to download it and install it. Of course, I already have this program, and you can see that I have channel. It's called Work Permit Poland. You have to join this channel and learn all information from the beginning. You have to scroll all to the top and learn all information, every post, because here is a lot of information for you, interesting and important, about our process, about processing time, about payment, about scammers, how you can define a good company from scammers, and also about our visa process, about country which we help open visa, Czech Republic, Poland, USA, Canada. Everything you need to know about visa, you can find it there. So sometimes in your country, it's possible that this program not working. So you can just download VPN. It's called another program, like you can see VPN Proxy Master, and you can connect with internet from other country, not from your country, but from, for example, Germany. For example, I will show you. I press the link, and now I'm sitting in Germany, not in my own country, not in Ukraine, not in Poland, not in Czech Republic, but in Germany. And you can do the same. So you can change your connection from Ghana, from, for example, Nigeria, from India to other country if you need it. But most of country can use Telegram without any problem. So why Telegram? Because this is the best platform, this is the best messenger which you can use. This messenger save your place on your mobile phone, because it's and also save your megabyte, because save your traffic, because this program contain everything on their service. You don't need to contain it on your phone. So you just download, you just join our Telegram channel and learn information from the beginning. And after that, you can follow it or follow our news, and you will know all our conference when I do that conference. You can join our conference. You can also you can see comments here. For example, under the post, you can press comment and type write a question. You can ask something. You can chat each other. You can see also other successful cases from our clients from different country. And if you will follow our channel, you will know everything you need to know about your chance to get visa. Okay, so follow our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel, join our Telegram channel, and invite also your friends, because it's a really cool information for today, because you know that a lot of scammers around. So you can be sure in this information. You can check everything, and you can be really happy with that. Okay, thank you for your attention, and see you there.